Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we will make a new recipe, chicken sizzler roll. You must have tried many types of rolls like veg roll, Chinese roll, paneer roll and tikka roll. So I thought let us try something new this time. So let's see its recipe. So here I have taken 300 grams of chicken here. The chicken has been cut into long strips here, just like we cut chicken to make a sizzler. Then I took an egg here, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of green chili paste, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoons of white spicy masala powder, 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala powder and 1 tablespoon of red food color. Then here we have taken 6 tablespoons of corn flour. Then in veggies we have taken green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, baby corn and 4 onions cut into square shape. Then here it's 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and garlic and 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney. So first of all we have to marinate the chicken here. So to marinate the chicken we will put all the spices in it. First of all I am putting egg in it. After the egg we will add ginger garlic paste in it. After this we will add all the dry spices in it and then we will add a corn flour in it. Now we will mix the spices well with the chicken. Here I have added red food color, due to which the color of the chicken may be looking a little reddish to you. So red food color is optional here. If you want then don't add it. After mixing all the spices, we have to keep this chicken for marination for at least half an hour so that the flavor of the spices gets absorbed in the chicken properly and the chicken also becomes soft quickly while frying. So here all the spices have mixed well with the chicken. So now we will keep it for marination for at least half to 1 hour. Till then we will prepare the dough for making a sheets. For it I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour here. In this we will add salt as per taste and add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. Then we will add lukewarm water to it and knead it well. It takes some time to knead this flour. It will take at least 5 minutes for this to be ready. So after kneading well for 5 minutes, the dough has been kneaded well. Now we will apply some oil on it and again knead it well for 1 to 2 minutes. So here after kneading well again for 2 minutes, we will cover this dough and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we will fry the chicken that we had marinated here. So here I had already heated the oil in the pan. The oil has been heated well. So we will add the marinated chicken in it and fry it till it becomes crunchy. Here this chicken will also take about 2 to 3 minutes to fry until it becomes completely crunchy. We will fry the chicken well from both the sides, turning it side by side. After frying the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes, the chicken is fried well. So we will take it out from the oil and keep it in a separate plate to cool. In the same way we will fry all the chicken. Here I have taken out all the oil from the pan and will again add only 1 teaspoon of oil into it. As soon as the oil is heated, add chopped ginger and garlic here. The quantity of the garlic is always a little more than a ginger, so we have to take a ginger garlic accordingly. We will fry it for 1 minute until the color changes. So after frying for 1 to 2 minutes, you can see that the color of ginger and garlic has been changed and it has been fried. Now we will add all the vegetables in it. Fry the veggies for 1 minute on a medium to high flame while turning them occasionally so that their rawness goes away. After frying the veggies for 1 minute, we will now add both the sauces and Szechuan chutney and we will mix them well with the veggies. You can increase the quantity of tomato sauce and Szechuan chutney as per your taste. So here the sauces have been mixed well. Now we will add chicken to it. Along with this we will add some finely chopped coriander and spring onions. And again mix all this well and let it cool. Now we will prepare sheets from the dough. So here we will make small sized ball from the dough. And from this we will make small chapatis of size of puri. Here we will make a 3 layer of chapati so that the 3 sheets are prepared at once. You can also make 4 or 5 sheets together, but then it may become difficult to separate them and the sheets may break. So here we will make only 3 layer sheets so that it can be separated easily. Now we will apply some oil on all the 3 chapatis, and after applying the oil, sprinkle some flour on it so that after cooking it, it gets easily separated from each other. So now we will roll a big roti out of it. We will try to roll it as thin as possible. So here our big chapati is ready. Now we will cook it in a non-stick pan. You can also cook it in an iron pan. We will cook it on a very slow flame. Press it gently all over and turn it side by side and cook it from both the sides. Don't cook it too much, just cook it well from both the sides. Then we will take it out of the pan, and as soon as it comes out of the pan, we will immediately separate all the 3 layers. Otherwise, after it cools down, it will stick with each other. So we will separate them immediately after taking them out from the pan. So you can see how perfect sheets have been prepared here. We will keep them wrapped in a wet cloth so that they don't dry out. So in this way we will prepare all the sheets. I have also prepared all the sheets here together. Now we will stuff chicken in it and make rolls. So to stick the sheets, I have made a slurry of this consistency using all-purpose flour. First of all, we will put stuffing in the sheet. We have to add a little stuffing here. Don't add too much, otherwise it may become difficult to make a roll. Now apply this slurry on its side edges. Then we will place one side of the sheets on the top of the chicken. And later we will pack the roll by putting both the sides inside. So you can see that the roll is well packed here. So in this way we will make rolls by filling all the sheets with stuffing. It is possible that you may face some difficulties while making the rolls. That is why add a little stuffing so that you can make the roll easily. And always try to make a roll sheets as big as possible so that it becomes easier for you while wrapping up the roll. So here I have also made all the rolls. So now we will keep them in a refrigerator to cool for 15 to 20 minutes so that the slurry we have stuck in it gets set properly and dries up. Now we will deep fry these rolls on a high heat. So I had already kept the oil to heat and the oil was also heated well. So put 3 or 4 rolls in it and fry them by turning them from both the sides till they become crunchy. We will keep the flame of the stove high or medium to high only. We should not fry them on a slow flame, otherwise they will absorb too much oil. So here our crunchy and kurkure chicken sizzler rolls are ready. Its tangy and sweet flavor, sizzler veggies and Chinese tarika further enhance it. You must also try this roll recipe. If you like the recipe, do save it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.